Okay, finally we'll practice the trim function. For example, you have some text, right? So in this text, actually you will see there are lots of space here, the unnecessary space, right? So if you'd like to make it the proper sentence, so in that case, you can use the trim function equal trim first parenthesis, so text, right? So you see here and just drag and drop, right? Okay, so right now you will see all the unnecessary space already deleted, and this is the proper sentences, right? Or proper texts. Okay, so this is the trim function. So finally, once again, in the text formula, actually we learned, right, the left and right, mid, left, right, and mid T1, right? And how we can calculate the text length. Okay, so we practiced upper, lower, and proper, concatenate, and text join function. How we can use search, replace, substitute, right? This function and trim function. There is a practices in here, right? Oh, on the other hand, we learned clean function in the last video, and exact function find, which is quite related to search. Once again, find, it means find the position, not searching something, right? That's it. Okay, enjoy the text formulas, right? So if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you have any comments, right, so you can write in the comment box. I will try my best to give you the easy and best solution to you all, right? uh, that's it. Okay, after the next video, keep me in your prayers. Allah bless. Bye bye.